we're going to Alaminos today because bibili tayo ng mga appliance na kailangan ko sa apartment. So, ang mga appliances pala. Nalala ko tuloy yung electric side? May electric side. Kainis. Bibili tayo ng mga appliances. Mag-explore kami, parang marami kami pupuntahan ng mga maghahanap basta sa Alaminos. And yun. Grabe puro ako biyahe lately. Kung hindi ako pupunta ng Dagupan, pupunta ako sa San Fabian. Kung hindi ako pupunta ng San Fabian, pupunta ako Alaminos. We're here in Alaminos. Waiting na lang sa parking.
Kupal ka ah.
Waiting for parking na lang kami, guys. Ang dami nga kapila-pila dito. Agawan ng parking. Nasingitan si mama. What are your thoughts? Huwag niyo sisingitan si mama, guys.
Wow.
By the way,
Are you ready?
I'm not ready. We are makikipagsapalaran tayo sa init.
Tulog pa talaga.
Sa tabi niya. So, ang liit na tsinelas sa mga bilya tayo.
After wearing it for so long.
No, your
40.
foot got big.
40.
Tingnan natin. So hot. Oras ka na talaga. There's what?
There's nothing magical at magic. Corny. Oh, what's hot?
Kettle. Next stop. The seat is burning our legs. Searching for an induction stove.
Ganitas. Ay, hindi for daga. For ano pa na to? Ayan.
Pwede siya, girl.
Double purpose.
What?
Oo, ganito. Yung mga ref dati, ganyan ang itsura ng mga taas. Pero, is it, ano ba yung nakita natin sa ano?
Mas malaki pa dyan. Smaller, pero
Wala rin siyang freezer, be.
andito nga ni sa taas.
Cash inverter.
Bata. Oh, it's small na eh.
Sige, we'll find out later.
Nasa pagpipilian yun. Now, let's find induction stove. Parang wala nga eh. We are going to buy pans kasirola. Pans? Parang ang dami naman ng pan at saka kasirola.
Natin yung compatible sa magiging induction cooker.
Hindi na kami bibili ng pans dito. Doon na lang sa mismong pag-move-in ko.
Kailangan mo ng dish. Lagyan ng mga...
Pinaghugasan.
Yeah. I think you can go to Unitap.
This looks so
Mga ganun.
Yeah.
This looks so damn royal, but it's so.
So, kukunin na natin yung ref. And then, punta na tayo ng Unitap. Pupunta pa rin tayo. Kasi bibili na tayo ng mga yung basurahan mo. Lalagyan ng plato.
We're gonna get the wrap! kain na muna kami ng lunch bago pumunta ng mini top because gutom na yung kasama namin doon. Sabi ni Mama, unitop na ba tayo or mag-lunch muna? Lunch na po. I'm hungry na. Hungry na siya. So let's eat. It's exciting. We are going to try the Kyushin ramen.
But is it cold inside?
Kahit na mainit ang panahon, mag-ramen tayo. So let's go.
Sarap yung gyoza nila. Ay, hindi. Ito hindi. Ito rin.
It's so good. The food is so good. May last stop pa kami bago umuwi. City Hardware. She went there para hanapin yung pinto. Eh, nasa harap niya na mismo. Bumalik pa siya. There she is. This is the ref na pala guys. It's Fuji Denso. And it's, nakuha namin siya ng 8,900. Tinawaran ni Mama ng ano. Magkano yung naitawad doon, Ma?
400.
400.
Tinry ko lang naman.
And yung rice cooker na nasa likod, it's Hanabishi. And nakuha namin siya ng less than 1,000. It's 800 something.
Oo. 800. Something.
Mag-haul tayo ng mga binili sa mismong apartment ko tayo.
Doon na
Doon na.
mag-unbox.
Doon na tayo mag-unbox and then we're gonna use it for the first time. I don't remember. Ayan, dito kami nag-parking kanina. Naghanap ng parking na nasingitan si Ma'am. How do you still feel about it?
Yes. Okay. I've moved on. Girl, naka-red. Tatawid kayo?
Naka-red pa yung para sa crossing.
Hindi, kasi hinila nung isa. Tatawid nga sana sila eh. Huwag mo
Ay.
video.
Ay, okay.
Let's get this right.
Where are we gonna search?
Ating forest. Ano ka ba?
Maligo ka na. Sige. Kasi hindi ka pa naman naligo, di ba?
Nakaligo na ako.
Ay, hindi alata.
Because I just got wet from sweat.
Ito yung magandang time sa CR na hindi madulas. Maganda yung sa tanong.
Yes. Okay, we didn't find anything. Babalik tayo ng Alaminos. Unitop tayo, guys. Yung first plan. We're going back to the first plan. Okay, we're here. So, let's go to the dishes. Follow the leader.
Dish drainer.
Guys, I'm having intrusive thoughts right now. I want to scream 6-7. Do not you dare say.
Ito na yung hard part dito sa Unitop. Ang daming gamit. Ang hirap hanapin yung mga kitchenware, yung mga everything. Like, look at how many aisles there are.
They're like,
And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na ganito. Ando na si Mama. Para kang mapupunta sa maze. Because of how... No.
National Geographic.
Sky, your bowl. I feel like we're gonna spend 1 hour just looking for a whole aisle. Look at that.
If you want to be
What?
professional, just buy a walk. If you want to be
No.
professional, just buy a walk.
Okay din ah.
How much?
395.
It must be legit. Babalikan natin yun. Sky, remember that mark? That one.
Remember the part.
Location.
Lactation and... Lactation. Hindi, legit. Ayun, oh.
Oo nga.
Legit.
That's...
Legit.
Yan yung hahanapin nating sign. First is the dish drainer. Feel like mali yung angulo ng camera.
Rar.
Chopping board. Oh my gosh! Ngayon ko lang nakita na naka 1.9x pala siya. Ay, how dare you. Eh di naka-zoom in yun kanina. What others? Okay na.
Who wants some yummy nabe? Ano yan? Yummy nabe, they're usually cooked in the dark.
Strainer! In which I don't need. I need naman.
Sure ka?
Ito.
Ano ka? You can use this to pokpok someone. You use this to pokpok someone.
That works.
Para may pokpokan si ate.
Yan na lang.
Ay, pwede yung pang fry din. Eh, set na siya. Ang kitchen tools.
It's not gonna work.
May sandok na yung rice cooker, di ba?
Okay. So yung ano na lang pang...
Yang.
No.
Ang cute niya.
Ito. Kasi para hindi siya may ganun, no? Yung pang fry na lang.
Okay, next is shot glass.
Glass man lang.
Okay, glass na. Glass tayo.
All-purpose na. Pwede siyang water, pwede na siyang coffee.
Tapos yung glass naman. Ay, pwede.
May magpanga doon, kuha ka lang sa bahay.
Yung mga souvenir.
True. Ito. For us.
Careful, guys. Like there's nothing. Why is that broken? Why is that broken?
Wala, puro glass ko. Our mom is missing. So yung sa laki lang, ng unit top, nawala na si mama.
Crowded.
Or nawala kami. Kay mama.
Maybe it's both.
Yeah. Nahiwalay na kami ng malalaking, ng lahat ng yan. How's that? Not like that. Oh my gosh. She went, nawala. Diyan na siya.
Trainer daw na
Oh my
wala sa may cashier.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, oo. Here we go, guys. Here we go. What's nila? This is... Ay, ano pala to? Pareho pala to. Torn ako between...
Ay, baka maninira ka pa.
No, I asked you. I was the one who asked you.
Look, akala namin kailangan namin ibaba yung upuan. Naipagkasya naman siya. So yung parang pagpasok niya lang, yun nasa likod. Yeah, it's a whole box. Bumili kami ng, basta yun na lang. Ang dami naming nabili dyan sa Unitop. So, ayaw pa ni mamang bumalik ng Unitop pa kanina. Most ng mga nabili namin gamit is dito sa Unitop. Like yung baso ko, yung mga baso, yung dish drainer, kutsara, tinidor, yung chopping board, knife ang wala. Yung knife, parang knife na lang doon sa bahay. Yan. Kasi ang tulis nun. Pati yung basin, kaserola, nakakuha na rin kami. So, ang dami. Babalik ulit kami ng Nepo para tumingin ng induction stove. Kasi may nakuha kaming tip doon sa isang salesman. Sabi na isang salesman doon. Okay, we're going alone. Oy, lukod kasi si mama naghihintay ng parking. Naagawan na naman siya. Ba't lagi siya naagawan ng parking ngayon? We were able to find yung induction stove. Pero hindi confident si mama. So, sa dago pa na lang kami.
Yeah. At least may ref naman na. So, yun na lang. Lutuan at saka pan, no?
True.
Nung taas ng energy nung una.
Sayang, hindi ko na video yun. Yung, welcome to McDonald's!
Akala
Please,
ko,
tas
siya
biglang,
yun, tas biglang,
please
ay,
proceed to the
automated
next.
pala. Automation pala yun.
I think this is yours. This is good. Sabi, dirty matcha. Ba't kailangan nakatayo? Let's taste the natural Dapat lang plastic gloves. The dirty matcha.
Fairness.
Very good.
Fairness ba? Mas kasi.
Go, taste it, taste it.
Kapit mo guys. Like, I don't eat. I don't like sugar. Tastes like Americano. I like Americano.
This feels like a meal. Ang sarap niya. Ha? Sarap.
Would you have to bite it little delicate?
So I can get the saltiness out.
Saltiness ang pang-art.
Kasi
Wala na, di mo na uso yung phrase. Like, take out, secure. Those guys. Okay, so pauwi na kami, but before that, to check. Yeah. It's a jumper suit and a white shirt. Yun lang. Finally, after a very, very long day and very delicious snack,
day.
pauwi na kami, guys! But first, before that, dadaan muna kami ng Jollibee. Take out kami ng
Dinner.
yeah, dinner nila mommy, our lola.
Ate, dito yun. Dito yun. The old. Wala. I think here, this one.
So
May
yeah,
ilaw-ilaw.
eyes on the road. Hinanap kasi ni mama yung coffee shop.
Yeah, the first place where I tasted matcha and then I loved it. Alam ang arte ko. And that's where I started to love matcha. Nung na-taste ko yun yung hot na matcha. Tapos sabi ko, it's so creamy, it's giving. Tapos sabi ko, I'll try the cold matcha next time. And then natikman ko rin yung cold matcha, I forgot where. And then, sabi ko, this is my new cup. And then a matcha girl was born. The best dirty matcha in Alaminos City is in Wang Cafe. Wang Cafe.
Yes, kapag bumisita kayo ng
Wang
100
Cafe.
Islands, everyone.
Yes,
Wang Cafe.
Wang Cafe is the place to go for your matcha.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy!
Happy Mother's Day! Ano?
We're eating out, guys! Yes! Nakapag-order na kami ng food, guys. So, we're just waiting.
Malapit
That's
malapit
good.
dito yung
How's the food? 50 cents. How's the food?
Sky Music's approved.
How's the food siya? How's the food, Mami? Bali,